Okay, number 17 says solve the equation by factoring. So to factor, I want to get everything on one side first. And so now I have 3x squared minus 6x is equal to 0. This is different than our normal factoring because we only have two numbers. It's different than number 16, which had two numbers, or number 15, I think, because the number we're missing is the third number, the c, is 0. But hopefully, we've practiced the strategy enough that we recognize we can pull out a common factor. Both of these have a factor of 3, because 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. They also have a x in common. So I can factor out a 3x from this equation. What I have left on the inside then is going to be x minus 2. There's a couple ways to explain that. You could say that 3x squared is being divided by 3x, which if you use your properties of exponents is just going to be 1x left over. You could say that negative 6x is being divided by 3x. So x over x is 1, negative 6 over 3 is 2. That's one way to explain it. You can pause there if you need to think about that, but I'm going to erase it. Another way to think about it that a lot of students do is they just tell themselves, I'm trying to get to this original expression, 3x squared. So 3x times what? 3x times x gives me 3x squared. 3x times what gives me negative 6x? Well, 3x times negative 2 gives that to me. So this is called factoring out a common factor. And that's the only factoring I have to do. So now I can solve it. I can say 3x equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. Divide by 3 and x equals 0. Add 2 and x equals 2.